And go. All right, so we're looking at NZDCHF. I mean, I'm looking at just to capture small pips. It's not a big move, really. Um, um, the part of the reason I know I got a lot of stuff up here. I don't even know why this is here. I mean, they need to add text. They didn't. They're always changing this thing. And I have this is my market stick. I'm pretty familiar with with how that works, right? And then we have a harmonic right here that showed up. I mean, that's even there, the same one, I believe, right? Is there um on the 1 hour? Yeah, on the 1 hour, and it's saying pretty much. Actually, I'm taking it down because I know my market stick. I'm pretty familiar with it. I mean, it's like price will turn around here, close to it, not exactly at that point, somewhere in there, turn around and go down. So I'm looking to capture that. I mean, I would be, and I put a 33 pip stop. So that's up there. That's basically, and I'm looking to capture just 81 pips down to the bottom here. 80 pips down to the bottom. Well, one of the ways to determine one of where you're going to put your target, your TP, it's going to be one or two things. It's going to be where the harmonic is. Like for example, see this one happened to work out because of its situation. It's situated. It's the button is under the red cloud. All right. Um, Chances are it's going to fill. It did fill and it filled all the way. So a fill is two things. It can be down to the retrace down to you got the 3.2, 3.82, you've got the 50 50, right? You have the 618, you have the 70, and okay. This one went all the way to 100, and so it's pretty much. I mean, it's got that downward momentum. Okay, so I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, okay, is it going to be like more than this? Is this gonna, is this something that's going to go waving down here? I would say not yet because I can see it's kind of mixed. I mean, when you go to the forex sentiment and you're looking here, look at this thing. It says 60/40. It's kind of in the middle. Just remember that the smaller guys win. The small group. You know what I mean? The smaller um, group. This is why few people make money, a lot of people lose money, and the few people are taking the money of the larger people. Okay, you're looking at it in play right now. You're seeing it in play right now, even in CHF, JPY. Right? Look at the longs. What has it been doing? What has it been doing over the last several months? Right? Who's been making the money? The minority or the majority? You figure it out. I mean, I'm telling you here and now. All right. So we see this thing is basically has it's kind of a mixed bag, and you can tell when you look at the. So you can't go by when everybody's over here short, and I'm short, and I'm short, and I'm short, and you buy, okay. But right now it's just mixed up. They're saying next week bullish loading probably goes back to support level tested. I mean, and then they don't comment as much as say GBP, CHF, or USD, uh, uh, Euro USD, or something like that. And it's just kind of been a battle back, even in the short time frame. It's kind of been a battle back and forth, and we see the price just doesn't really get necessarily going. We can back all the way out to H4, and it's just been a constant battle, and it's just been sideways price action. So this is why I'm not going for 400 pips. Okay, I'm just looking to get some 80 pips, and that's it. Get the hell out. Um, you could have been looking if you saw the squeeze here, right? If you were looking at this 4 hour chart back here and you saw this form up, right? Look at that. You see it didn't even get down to here, right? Versus out, does a breakout above the DB. All right. I mean, that's a great entry, man. Look how far it was away from the goddamn uh, IM cloud. I mean, shit, man. I mean, it was just a rocket waiting to happen. It happened pretty quick, and it was over quick. It was that battle back and forth, right? Okay, nice. You captured 146 pips and 1,000 points there. Okay. So we have another, we have a 5-0 cipher. See, it says 5-0 cipher. That's that box, funny looking box right here. Price is supposed to come down to meet that, to fill this. But we also ended up with another small bearish harmonic right there, which further enforces the idea that this sucker needs to drop. But it's not going to go far, okay? I mean, even if it moved up to here, I mean, still doesn't hit my TP, which is, this is the market bar. It's supposed to stop there. These are supposed to be levels of support and resistance, typically, okay, for NZDCHF. This is just a common place of reversal. That's what this market stick is. This thing right there, okay? Um, so I'm in for the short. I'm getting 80 pips real quick on NZDCHF. I'll be sending out more signals or whatever to you guys. All right. Comment, if you got a question or anything like that. I'll see you. I'm about to eat my Reese's cup right now and have a blast. Peace.